Hello guys and girls, welcome back to our channel again. This is Elsa and we have something new and interesting for you this time. This is a rescue team, building blocks. Everybody likes building blocks. We have a lot of parts, 76 and over. Age 6+ for this. This is a chopper. Let's turn this over and just see the pictures here. We've got parts to build a helicopter with, and we have one chopper pilot. Why? Because it's a rescue team. Yes, they say it's easy to build. Okay, we've got the instructions. Wow, it stimulates our imagination and creativity. That's cool. That's good. That's what we need. And look at this chopper. Building blocks we love and we like to build, right? Yes, even girls. So look at this chopper. Let's turn it around a bit. The propellers. Wow, nice colors, nice design. Nice pilots. Movable parts. Wait. There you go. Helmet back on. Pilot can be moved. He looks kind of smart. I mean, you have to be smart to be a chopper pilot, right? It must not be easy to get that bird up into the sky. Okay, let's see this chopper again. A lot of boys like choppers, right? What? Somebody said girls as well? Okay. Girl power. Okay, let's put this back up like this. Yes, that's the way it flies. Cuts the air, doesn't it? Cuts the air. Chops it. That's why it's called a chopper, I guess. Do you know what the other name for a chopper is? What? Helicopter. I get it. You're right. Ooh, we got stickers. Look, rescue team, police, rescue city. We have stickers. Let's see where they go. We want to put the police sticker. Where? Let's see. We'll put it on the front so everybody can see that it's a police chopper. There. That's it. Okay. Now, the other stickers. I wonder what we will do with the other stickers. Let's put the sticker with... Wait. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Let's put the other police sticker on the side. How's that? Yeah. That's cool. Okay. That's good. Okay, and we do the same on the other side. Police sticker. These people must be busy, right? They must be busy. Okay, we do it just so, like that. Okay, now this says, can you read what it says? Wait, not now. Rescue. What was the second word? Rescue. Tell me the second word. Wait. You can't. Team. Right. Rescue team. You got it. Okay, we'll put it here. That's it. See? And we'll do the same with the other one. Okay, so everybody knows what this is for. To rescue. Rescue what? Everything that's rescuable. Okay, do we have any stickers left? We've got these with city on them. Which city? Well, basically any city you live in. Okay, we'll do that in a minute. That was the chopper. Wait. We are not done yet. We put the police sign. This is a different one. We'll put this right here. Yeah, that's what we're right here. Just a second. There we go. That's it. We stick it on. There. Now, isn't that a powerful looking police chopper? It is, isn't it? Okay, let's just see the other side. It's ready to fly, this chopper, ready to fly. Okay, boys and girls, I think that's that. Please subscribe to our channel and we will see you as soon as possible.